Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you've been enjoying these more active wear videos. I can also do more of like regular clothing videos like Abercrombie, Old Navy, things like that. I just got 2 of those packages in, which is why I mentioned those brands. But yeah, this is going to be the Ptula Take Me to the Coast collection. I also recently got items from the Take Me to Capri collection, so without further ado, here is the Take Me to the Coast collection. Okay, first up, they don't necessarily go together, but I got the FeatherTech Portrait Bra. And let's see what size I got this in. It's in Seabreeze Polka Dot, large, $58. I could think about sizing down, just because this band is not the tightest there, but then I might fall out of it. But the real hero of the show, let me close this door so you don't see my messy closet, but the real hero of this outfit, in my opinion, are these FeatherTech mid-rise sculpt wide leg pant, and let's see, True Navy extra large short, $88. I mean, they're definitely squat proof. I really like this color. They're not mid-rise, they're definitely high-rise. They're covering my belly, just about covering my belly button. I think they look darker than they do in the picture, but these are just absolutely amazing. Buttery soft, just really, really nice. The one thing I would dock them for is they don't have pockets, which it's annoying. The camel toe on me is not too bad, but these are just amazing lounge pants. I don't think I'd work out in them, and I love that they finally have 3 lengths. Of course, I got short. Okay, and that last bra I'd say is probably like light to medium support, and definitely like light to medium coverage. Now, this one is the, let's see, the FeatherTech Latitude bra, I believe, in Seabreeze large. I wouldn't size down for this one. This one's fairly tight there. I do carry a little more on the bottom half for my chest, and then, I mean, this is definitely, I'd say, low coverage. I am almost falling out of it, but not too bad. There's the back. But yeah, this fabric is just amazing. Buttery soft, very naked feel. And then here we have the FeatherTech Sculpt short, 5-inch in Seabreeze, extra large. And yeah, I do love this color. I do prefer 6-inch. There's the squat test. I think they're squat proof, but I am wearing light patterned underwear today. But yeah, very nice. And then this is, yeah, light to medium support. No adjustability in the straps, but I feel like Ptula's shorts are very, very flattering, even though there's no real compression here. I do think they look nice and pretty friendly to the cellulite. So, and the shorts were $58 full price, and the bra was $54. Okay, so then I also got the FeatherTech Latitude Tank Seabreeze in medium. Don't ask me why I got it in medium. Maybe people suggested sizing down. I'll probably keep it, but I think I would have preferred a size up, but I am on a weight loss journey, so that's why I'm going to keep it. And then I think I'm going to return these. By the way, that was $60. These are the FeatherTech Sculpt Short 5-inch Marine Blue, but in large. Maybe I wanted to try both sizes. Also $58. The other one were extra large. I think I like the extra large better, just, I mean, this has more compression, but just for the fact that that gives me a little more length, I think. So anyway, here are those. I do like this color, but yeah, I think can't keep it all. It's all very expensive, as you all know. Okay, I am wearing my bride shirt today. Next are the FeatherTech, the Terry Swift oversized sweat short, Savvy Red. I got them in XXL. I could have done an extra large, but here they are kind of rolled up. Red isn't normally my color, but I think I'll keep them since I don't have them. They are pretty loose, but they do have a drawstring. But yeah, I do like them, and they're kind of just long enough for me, even rolled up. So I think these are maybe like a 3.5. I'll put the inseam length. Lastly, we have the FeatherTech Sculpt Striped Legging, 25 inch in Savvy Red Extra Large. Again, this, I mean, the FeatherTech I just love. It's a great, obviously, summer fabric. I love this like contrast piping. I think that's really in right now. Here's the squat test. I am just wearing regular underwear. But there's that. Yeah, again, just so nice. And not too long on me, which is great. Not too compressive around the ankle, which is great. I have larger ankles. Normally socks will give me, you know, a line, which I hate. But I just love these. They're so soft. And stretchy and just that naked buttery feel. So yeah, I thought this was a good collection. Obviously these are pretty expensive. Those striped leggings were $84. Definitely use a 10% off. I always use Catherine Mueller's code Catherine. But I really like these, and again, like I said, the FeatherTech is decently friendly to cellulite in my opinion, which is surprising for a fabric like this. So I do think some of the pieces are worth it, but it is obviously up to you. Hopefully this will help you decide if you want some things from this collection. You can always wait for like a sale, more than that 10%, but then you're not guaranteed to have it in stock or in your size. So anyway, I hope you guys all enjoy, and until next time, bye everyone.